In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Workspace account. Before we begin, a quick note. This process is performed from the Google Admin Console and requires administrator permissions. Deleting a user permanently removes their access and can impact email, drive files, and connected services. So make sure you've backed up anything important or decided what should happen to the user's data before you move forward. First, go to the Admin Console. You can get there by navigating to Google's admin site in your browser or by opening it from the app launcher if you're already in a Google app. If your organization uses multiple admin profiles, confirm you're signed into the correct admin account so you see the right controls. Once the console loads, give it a moment. The dashboard will populate with tiles and a search bar at the top that can help you quickly find what you need. Next, click Delete User. You'll find this option within the Admin Console's user management tools. If you don't immediately see it on the dashboard, try the search bar at the top and type Delete User. This pulls up the action directly and helps you avoid clicking through multiple menus. Be aware that this is an admin-only control. If you don't see the option, double-check your permissions or switch to an account with the necessary role. Now, enter the username. Type in the name or the primary email handle of the account you intend to remove. As you type, you should see matching users appear, which helps you confirm you've selected the right person. Take a moment here to verify the details, such as the display name and the associated domain, especially if your organization has similar usernames. Accuracy at this step prevents you from deleting the wrong account. Finally, click Proceed. This is the confirmation action that starts the deletion. Before you confirm, review any on-screen notes about the consequences, like the impact on email delivery or files owned by that user. Depending on your organization's settings, you may see options related to what happens to their data. Consider those carefully if they appear. When you're ready, choose Proceed to finalize. The system will process the deletion and remove the user's access across Google Workspace. That's it. You've gone to the admin console, selected the delete user option, entered the correct user, and confirmed by clicking Proceed. If you're managing multiple removals, it's a good practice to repeat the same verification steps each time. And remember, plan ahead for data retention and ownership so there are no surprises after the account is gone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and straightforward.